jump form works continuing above ground. We've also got the continuing installation of the brackets and the insulation for the art glass in the VT shaft, and we've also got at lot 3 the structural steel for the ceiling being installed. My name's Jordan Smith. I'm a senior project engineer here at Albert Street working in the fit out team. So we've completed the install of the V columns. We've also completed the install of the diamond props over at lot 1, and we've also poured the level 2 slab above ground, which is a major milestone for us. To get to this point, we've had to complete some major inroads in structural works. So we've seen the completion of the mezzanine and the arch itself, as well as a lot of structural steel. So we'll be continuing works above ground at lot 1 on the jump form. We'll also be working to construct the green spine area, and we'll also be working towards tiling on the platform and the mezzanine. A few other milestones we're working to achieve this year is the lot 1 and the lot 3 VT shaft art glazing, as well as the completion of baffle ceilings, anodised panelling and GFRC panelling.